those that want to listen. Right, just to give you a bit of an idea to start with on what some of these existing buildings have been used for in the past, in the recent past. Just to the back of this building here, which you passed, was a building which was used for refrigeration equipment. A lot of refrigeration used to cool beer and what have you. This particular building on the left was a warehouse where we brought in the empty cans for canned beer, and literally thousands of cans on a very tall pallet. It was fed into a depalletizer machine, and then the cans were fed by conveyor through to the canning department, which was on the left-hand side of that curved roof building. And all of that will be coming down before too long. Where you can see, most of you can see, a pile of white rubble over there, that was the bottling department, and that was only mild steel and corrugated asbestos cement sheets. Good that that building is gone, because that now opens up the sort of view that we get, what people will have when they come along this footpath from the town to approach this new development, and they will see that sort of outline of the new centre. Now those of you who've walked this footpath before will probably remember the water running through the leat here, which as you can see now is pretty well dried up, because just round here they've diverted all of that water temporarily to allow construction work to take place on the new site. Eventually they will take that away and the water will flow again. So as you come from the town along this pathway and you come down walking towards this new development, you'll have water in the leat to one side of you, you'll have lovely paths to walk on, paved paths, there'll be a cycle track, there'll be lots of trees, a nice area to sit and enjoy yourselves on a nice sunny day. So quite a bit to look forward to. The site in total is about 3.4, 3.5 acres, something in that order. So it is quite a big site. And once they start building houses and that, it's amazing how many they would get onto a site like this.
What's that building there?
Right, this building here is the back end of the one I first told you about where we started the tour, which used to be the grill hall, was then used as the company shop, and almost certainly I think that's going to disappear, and probably before too long. Now there are plans to perhaps put a microbrewery on the site, and I've seen two suggestions. One suggestion is that building, which has been used by the Devonshire Brewery as a bonded warehouse, hence of course the bars on the windows. So maybe that could become a microbrewery. I've also seen mention of perhaps a microbrewery somewhere up near where we first came in. I don't know whether that anybody knows what's happening there. You don't know yet?
No, not yet.
Don't know yet, but could be one of those, or it could be somewhere else.